1.3 Little girls wiser than old people. While watching 7th standard English workshop activity with all answers. So welcome to all of you in this video, and let's start our today's activity. See, dear learners, our first question is read aloud with proper intonation. So here is given some words. See, don't go. So you just read it aloud properly. फक्त योग्य उच्चारासह तुम्हाला हे सगळे शब्द वाचायचे आहेत. And you can also copy down in your notebook. Next, I am afraid. I'm afraid. Never mind. Number 4, look out. And shame on you. So these 5 words are given here. See once again. Don't go. I'm afraid. Never mind. Look out. And shame on you. Okay. See next question. Spot the names of the body parts from the story and add 3 other names on your own from the story. Body parts जे शरीराचे अवयव आहेत त्यांची नावं तुम्हाला फाइंड आउट करायची आहेत या स्टोरी मधून. And you can add your 3. Neck or nape of the her neck. That neck is here in the story. Then nose, eyes, foot, and add 3 more. You can add their hand, leg, and ear. Okay, copy down all these in your notebook and see next question. List the characters in the story and write their approximate age. Now we have enjoyed this story. आपण ही स्टोरी छान प्रकारे आनंद घेतलेला आहे, सगळी अभ्यासलेली आहे, वाचलेली आहे. Now you just find out and guess the approximate ages. नेमकी काय वय असतील प्रत्येक कॅरेक्टर. सी मलाशा I think 5 to 6 years old. Then Akulka 7 to 8 years old. The next character is Akulka's mother, maybe 25 to 35 years. Next character is Malasha's mother, same age, 25 to 35. Then Akulka's grandmother. Okay, she is grandmother, so definitely she will be 60 plus years. And last, village peoples all are adults. So these are the characters mentioned in the story. ही character दिलेले आहेत त्या story मध्ये. You just maybe your answer is little bit different. Never mind. तुमचं उत्तर ही थोडंसं वेगळं असेल. Then also it is correct answer. So copy down all these and see next question. Write the stages in which the fight began and got worse. Then write how and when the people start fighting. Now here 2 questions are asked. 2 प्रश्न विचारलेले आहेत आपल्याला की फायटिंग कशी बिगेन स्टार्ट झाली and how that fighting stopped. थांबली कशी. Okay, let's see. First, Malasha splashed water on Akulka's dress. This is the main reason of fighting. Then second, Akulka got angry and tried to hit the Malasha. But Malasha just ran away, we know that. Then third stage, Malasha ran home. And after that what happened? Yes, Akulka's mother hit Malasha. And after that, Malasha's mother shouted at Akulka's mother. And the fighting began. And after that, see, other villagers joined in and began to quarrel and push each other. So these are the steps or stages the fight began. And now see, our next question is, then write how and when the people stopped fighting. See, first grandmother tried to stop them. but they not stopped. Then next, girls play together again. Okay, Malasha and Akulka plays together again. Then people feel ashamed. त्यांनाच या गोष्टीची लाज वाटलेली आहे. And finally, people stop fighting. So copied on all these stages, the fight began and stopped fighting. Pause your video and copy down all these sentences and see next. Choose any one of the reasons you listed in the warming up. Write down and enact a quarrel based on that reason and show how it was resolved. Okay, now we have seen so many reasons, approximately 10 to 25 reasons. So take one of them. Example, just make up quarrel. Okay, भांडण करतात मुलं. Why? There are so many reasons we have seen in the warming up activity. Take reason, two kids want same toy. How we can just solve or resolve this problem? See, quarrel, they fight for toy. Then solution, what is solution? So parents teach them sharing. प्रत्येक गोष्ट आपण शेअर करायला शिकलं पाहिजे. सो दिस इज द सोल्युशन. आपली टॉईज असतील, आपल्या ज्या काही वस्तू असतील त्या आपण आपल्या भावाबरोबर, बहिणीबरोबर खरं तर शेअर करणं गरजेचं आहे. आपल्या मित्रांबरोबर ते शेअर करणं गरजेचं आहे. अँड वी नो दॅट शेअरिंग इज केअरिंग. सो parents should teach them sharing. Then result, they share and play. So the problem is resolved or solved. Okay, so note down these steps. Next question. Change the words in the colored boxes to make other meaningful sentences. So here is given one sentence. See, I will take off my shoes and you do the same. And here is colored boxes given for the word take. So you are going to change the word take and make other meaningful sentence. See, second sentence is given here. This is a time for rejoicing. So these two sentences are given here. Now let's change these highlighted two words and make meaningful sentence. See, I will clean my room and you do the same. See, this is time for learning. So which words we change here? See, I will clean. Room also we have changed. Then this is time for learning. See, question number 7. Read, remember and write. See, dress, dressed. It means here is given past form of some verbs. Dress, dressed. Then start, started. Walk, walked. Now grasp. Okay, now write your answer. I will give it afterwards. Next word is laugh. Okay, so what is past form of laugh? You just complete here. Then jump, jumped. Then pick. Okay, you are going to complete. Then look, want, wanted, already given here. Then pass, passed. Gather. Okay, we are going to complete now. And last, scatter. I hope you have just completed this activity. Now let's see answers. See, grasp, grasped. ईडी प्रत्यय लावायचा आहे आपल्याला आणि त्याचं पास्ट टेन्स, पास्ट फॉर्म बनवायचा आहे. सी, laugh, laughed. Then pick, picked. Look, looked. Okay, gather, gathered. Scatter, scattered. So these are the answers of English workshop activity. So dear learners, thank you for watching. So well done, and be wise, be kind. That's it in this video. Thank you very much.